Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026. Now, what I have here today is my Black Original. It's definitely one of my favorite finishes. I mean, I don't think that I've ever seen a bad finish in an original, but I do like this. I do like the black with the wood blades. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. I have to duck down to pull the pull chain because it's on such a long down rod. There is no mounting hardware, and it also has this flimsy little, I guess it was on a vaulted ceiling. So the guy had it sort of like in his doorway. And I believe it was a split level house, so as soon as you walk in, there's like you walk in, you can either go upstairs or downstairs. And I guess in that little doorway, from the pictures they showed me. Anyway, I'm gonna start out on high. Medium. And low. Yeah, original's on low. I mean, this is the quintessential, restaurant fan. An original on low speed. I mean, every burger joint I remember going to as a kid, um, Fuddruckers or I think Bennigan's had these, Charlie's. Yeah, all the restaurants I remember going to as a kid had originals. Or a lot of them anyway had just spinning slowly. So anyway, just gonna have to spin down. All right, now we'll take a look at the tags. I haven't had the opportunity to clean it yet, but I will one of these days. Easier said than done. Okay, here we go. So, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.